Hi, my name is Mariah Williams. I am currently attending PC through the Aberdeen campus. I'm just not able to be on campus, so everything's online for me right now. I am in the BSN program. I am hopefully going to be able to graduate within the next year or two. We'll see how things go. Like I said, I'm not on campus because I am a full-time phlebotomist. I travel every day for work, so it makes it really hard for me to be able to go into classes without cutting my hours from full-time to part-time, and I really don't want to do that right now. I work for Vitalant, and so if you ever see our blood bus or our trucks in town, that means we're having a blood drive in your town. So feel free to come out. We would love to take your blood because we are in desperate need right now. So even if we don't have a mobile drive and there's one close to you, please go into our centers and donate. Maybe I shouldn't try to do promo work during a college class, but I have to ask. So, a little bit about me. I am actually not a first time student. I graduated high school in 2013 and then I went to college after that. And I graduated from Oklahoma Panhandle State University in Goodwell, Oklahoma. Very tiny town. We had one bar and one post office, and that is it. There's maybe 200 boxes in the post office. So, yeah, we were a really small town. I graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Ruminant Nutrition, emphasis in beef cattle, with a minor in genetics and production. So technically, I was trying to be a feedlot nutritionist, but currently in South Dakota, I would have to travel way too far for work, or I would have to live away from my husband. So I was like, I need to go back to school and get something that can be useful and won't be as far of a drive, and I can work from or work wherever whenever I need to. Uh, we do kind of move around a lot. My husband does work for BNSF. He is currently a conductor, and so because of seniority issues, we have to move a lot, or he has to chase work out of state a lot of times. And so I do need that job that I can transfer if we have to move. Um, I grew up in a really small town, and I was a ranch kid. Didn't have much, like many people to look at, didn't have much of an option. We had to travel an hour to the grocery store. I was like FFA queen. I was a very rural kid. I was nothing like Aberdeen is a huge town compared to my small town. And I am super excited about the school year. I'm not excited about video recording because I absolutely hate them. Another fact about me is I love to travel. I'm actually going to Havasu Falls this fall. I'm super excited. It was hard to score the tickets, and hopefully it will be a good hike in. It's about 10 miles in, 10 miles out, another 18 if you want to count in going to Mooney Falls as well as Beaver. So I'm super excited, and I encourage anybody to get out there and try to get tickets to go, or reservations, should I say. It's an awesome experience. Not many people get to do it. I look forward to hearing about everybody's lives and getting to know everyone, and I hope you have a great school year.